Here is a comparison between Ollama and LM Studio. Ollama is a chat and build with open models. As you can see on their website, you can go ahead and explore different models from them. So it is like a one-stop shop or one-stop page that you can see their different AIs that you can use for chats. So as you can see, there is a DeepSeek, Gemma 3, Quen 3, DeepSeek 3, GPT-OS, and what you need to do is just press on the model that you'd like on the page. And as you can see, you will be redirected to the AI that you have chosen. On the other hand, LM Studio is like a developer program, kind of like resources for an AI. So it's much more complicated to use other than the Ollama because it is more on a website looking, not like the Ollama. It is very clear and organized, so you can just go ahead and choose the right AI for you. Now let's just go ahead and see how this works. So as you can see, you just need to press on the link and install the SDK. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. For a primary interface, LM Studio is a graphical user interface all-in-one desktop app for discovery and chat, while Ollama is a command line interface or REST API. For user focus, LM Studio is for beginners and experimenters, and for Ollama is for developers and integrators. For customization and integration, LM Studio is less flexible while Ollama has a maximum flexibility. So if you want a more flexible AI that you can choose from, and if you are a very professional, you can choose Ollama. But if you are a beginner, you can choose LM Studio.